So, eto, ano ba yung mga upcoming topics natin? So, if gustong-gusto niyo maging social media managers, so we will talk more on the specific naman na skills na kailangan ninyo. So, our next topics, we will talk about how to create graphics using Canva. So, eto talaga yung number one tool ng isang social media manager is yung Canva because napakadali lang mag-edit doon na it's like ano lang kayo, drag and drop. So, napakadaling gumawa ng isang ads or yung collateral using Canva. So we'll have a video for that. And then we'll create an FB page. Paano ba yung tamang paggawa ng FB page natin. And then we will talk about how you can run FB ads. Yun din yung number one na requirement ng client is alam nyo somehow paano mag-run ng FB ads. So plus points, plus pogi points na yan sa inyo. Paano ba yung tamang pag-run ng FB ads? Hindi yung boost, kundi yung pag-run ng FB ads mismo. So we will talk on that. Yun, magsasample talaga tayo mga specific video kung paano niyo gagawin yan in our upcoming videos. And then we will also talk about how to edit videos. So using Adobe Premiere Pro, yan talaga yung hinahanap din ng client is somehow kahit yung basic lang na pag-edit, na pag-cut, lagay ng music, background, paglagay ng text. So yun, that's yun, plus another plus pogi points din yun sa inyo. So, paano pag-edit ng videos. And then, you can also use yung mobile apps. You can use KineMaster, CapCut. So, pwede nating pag-usapan yun in our upcoming videos. So, next is we'll create website using your portfolio. So, it's another, di ba, plus points yan, plus pogi points if you will know how to create a website. And this is for free lang ha. So, gagawa tayo ng website ninyo, then we will highlight ano yung mga skills ninyo, ano yung mga portfolio ninyo, ano yung mga projects ninyo na kaya nyong gawin, so that yun, mai-impress yung clients ninyo and mas malaki yung chance na ma-hire kayo. And then, we will talk about saan ba hanapin yung mga clients natin, yung nabanggit natin, yung mga direct clients, and ano ba yung mga websites na pwede nating puntahan so that we can find din mga clients or pwede tayong ma-hire ng mga agencies. So, yun, madami pa tayong pag-uusapan. So, if you are interested talaga kung if you would really want to become a social media manager and a virtual assistant, madami pa tayong mga upcoming videos that we will talk about yung specific skills talaga. Magsasample tayo so that makikita nyo kung paano ba gawin yung mga tasks ng isang social media manager or ng isang virtual assistant. So, yun, sa our upcoming videos, abangan yan ninyo. So, subscribe lang kayo sa aming YouTube channel. Ito, Upskill Pilipinas. And then, follow nyo kami sa aming mga social media accounts. Andun kami sa Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. So, follow nyo kami. And then, may website din kami, www.upskillpilipinas. So, pwede kayong gumawa doon ng account. And then, mas easier for you to monitor your progress niyo. So, nakalagay doon kung ano yung mga online, free na online class na pwede kayong umattend, and then you will see the progress. So, mas easier for you to track. So, I suggest na yun, visit nyo yung website namin so that mas conducive to learning naman kayo using our website, using our platform. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. Thank you for listening and we will see you again in our next video.